Guys, welcome back to the channel. Foxbody Shoe 5.0 here with you, and today we're going to be getting after that center console. That's right, I've been waiting for this a long time here, guys. The center console, that's what we're going to be working on and getting done up today. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean it up, prep it up, and then I'm going to paint it to match the color of my interior, because this is storm gray and I have light titanium on the inside of the 91 Mustang here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all that ready, get it prepped, and paint it up. So alright, stay along guys. Alright, it's gonna be fun. Can't wait. See you guys soon. Alright, so before we get going here guys, I laid out everything. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing and working with today in order of parts. Okay, so right here we have the center console that I purchased from LMR, but this is the, as you can see right here, the Daniel Carpenter Mustang Restoration center console. Alright, so it is the upgraded center console with the 12 volt alright outlet right there, the USB alright outlets. Okay, I'm really excited to go ahead and be able to have that stuff to put into the car here. I still do have the power window mirrors. Alright, so I will be reinstalling that, and then I will be taping this off here, and I'm going to try just to see. I did also go ahead and get the center console, or the armrest delete. I don't know if I'm gonna go with it or not, but I did pick it up. It's only $20, and I was like, you know, with doing this and putting this on, I might like it. I might like it. It would look something like that just by mocking it up there real quick for you to see. So we're gonna try it and see, and we'll go with it if we like it. If not, I've still got the center console, the armrest in there, and I'll go ahead and I'll clean that up and prep that up then and paint that as well. But what we are using here to go ahead and do this is right here, SEM, okay, prep, plastic, leather, and prep, just like what LMR recommends and suggests. I did not purchase these from LMR. I did get these right from Amazon. I looked up the numbers and the part numbers and ordered from there. Same with the SEM color interior, light titanium. Right there is the part number 15353 for light titanium. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and that way it gets matched from the storm gray that it comes in. All right, and as you can see, both components do come in that storm gray. So we're gonna get those cleaned up, prepped up, and painted, and get them ready to go. Alright, so I'll be back with you guys here when I get ready to go ahead and get these cleaned up and prepped. Alright guys, here we go. They're all prepped, ready to go. I taped off the center where the e-brake handle comes through at. Okay, just kind of letting them dry here just for a few minutes after I prepped them, and then I'm going to start putting the first coat on. Again, what I'm using is right here guys. Okay, I'm using SEM color coat, light titanium, 15353 is the part number. Alright, and I did go ahead and just order this right from Amazon. Okay, so that's what we're going to be getting after. And I did also go ahead and take out the USB, the 12 volt, okay, the connection underneath for them both, and I did go ahead and test fit the mirror switch, and that fits in there just fine, so should be all set to go. Alright, so I'll come back with you and I'll set up a time lapse as I get ready to go ahead and kind of put the first coat on. Alright, so I'll be back with you guys here real soon. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to go ahead and get ready to start painting and putting the first coat on to see how this goes. Alright. Yeah, I'm just going to put just a light coat on. Kind of let that tack up. Okay, I let that first one kind of tack up just a little bit there, and now we're gonna try to put it on a little bit heavier. Okay, now the directions say to wait about 5 to 10 minutes in between coats. So, alright, I'll go ahead and I'll be back with you, and we'll see how it looks after about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so we've tacked it up. We've got one coat on it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do a second coat here and just keep doing little by little. Alright, I don't want to get too much on it once. I don't want to get any runs. So, alright, so here we go. The coat number 2. Probably going to do at least 3 coats on this. Coat number 2. Alright guys, we're going to try to see if maybe this is the last coat, and then go ahead and do some touch-ups along the bottom here and everything, because this has been sitting like this the whole time. So then we'll do some touch-up and get some of the other areas up to snuff from where it's been sitting. So here we go, coat 3. Alright, that's coat 3. We'll see how it looks after it dries from about 10 minutes, okay? See you guys then. Alright guys, here we go with the touch-up. As you can see along the side here where it was sitting, still wasn't able to go ahead and get all of it, so it's just got a little overspray on it. And then I flipped this around too. This is pretty good. I've been able to get most of the angles of that, but I do want to get this side that's facing the Mustang a little bit more better, because it was flipped around the other way. So, alright, here we go. A little touch up, guys. A little touch up. Everything else is looking good on it, though. Alright, that's some of the touch-ups, guys. So we should be pretty good after this. Alright, guys. So here is the finished products before they're going to be reinstalled back into the Mustang. Okay. So there they are. Turned out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and let them keep drying just a little bit longer, and then I'll be back with you guys here when I get ready to reinstall them into the interior, and probably put you guys on a time lapse and everything for that. But in the meantime, I'm also cleaning up the old ones, the old center console ashtray there, okay, and center console, just in case I want to reuse it. I'm cleaning those up, and I'm actually gonna respray those as well, so that way if I do want to reuse that center console armrest, I've got that, and I've got it ready to go, and it's going to match the center console again. And then this, I'll probably be looking to go ahead and sell this. So if you're watching this and are interested in an extra one, again, I'm going to paint it to titanium gray, light titanium gray, but if you're interested, it would be an easy one to paint over. So alright, and and does go ahead and the lid does work on it, stays closed. So okay, all right guys, we'll be back with you soon. All right guys, welcome back. Here we are now inside the car. Okay, got all the stuff reinstalled into the center console. Man, it really looks nice. You know, and I was talking to Pony 1992. I was watching some of his videos this morning, and I left a comment on his when he was doing this. Told him I was going to be doing this today, and he says you're going to love it, man. And I'm right there with him. I believe I am. So I mean, this is looking really nice, looking really good. So now it's just a matter of going ahead and fitting these and getting some of the stuff back in, and seeing we're good to go here, guys. Alright guys, so it's fit down here really nice and snug, and I think it's really getting close here, ready to send home. The only thing that makes me a little bit nervous is my brake handle here. So e-brake cable, I know that this still needs to be tightened a little bit and tension put onto it. So I'm not sure how that may play into this, but other than that, man, it looks really nice. I really love how it looks. Again, the interior, even though I painted this to go ahead and match what the original color was, I mean, over time this is kind of gotten, you know, different color and everything. So but man, I really love how this is looking and how it's going in. So okay, be back with you guys. All right guys, I'm back here with you, and there it is, the finished project in, and I'm liking how it looks, guys. As you can see, I mean, yeah, there is a little bit of discolor from this, but again, I mean, this has been in here 23 years, so definitely explainable, and you know, nothing I can't go ahead and touch up and get it back to looking how it was from the factory. So all right, but there it is, installed, looking good. I love it, can't wait to go ahead and use it. So all right guys, other than that wraps up another episode here on the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Please like, subscribe, share, go ahead and hit that bell, go ahead and get that latest and greatest content when it comes out. And other than that, I will see you guys next time on the channel. Take care, see you soon. Alright guys, so I got a little bonus footage here for you. We just got the center console installed, we got the armrest delete done, okay, got some paint parts repainted there for the old console and the actual armrest, in case I ever want to put that back in. But there's also another little addition that we've got here. I don't know if you can see it in the picture yet or not. I'll show you in just a second, but right here, the shifter in the shifter console area. Just went ahead and reinstalled it, bought brand new. I still got to get a clip for the one end here, but that's no problem. I'll check LMR and see if I can get just some new clips anyways, for the shifter boot area here. But in case you can't see, right here it is now, guys. Bonus footage for you. There it is, complete, done, all center console delete, or armrest delete, and this done, and with 417 Fox heater control head swap with the double din. Now everything's looking complete, and the steering wheel. So I know you guys have seen all the videos on these now. Here it is, completely all installed, done up, looking great. I'm feeling great, and man, I can't wait to go ahead and drive this bad boy in the summertime here and in spring up here in Michigan, and maybe go ahead and check out and meet up with some of you guys out there. That would be awesome. So, but time will tell on that, but we'll kind of see. But I wanted to make sure I showed you guys this, alright? So again, thanks a lot for tuning in. Thanks a lot for subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you guys here next time.